Do you know why you understand English but can't speak it? You know hundreds of English words. You've studied English for years, but when someone asks, "How are you?" your brain does this. Hindi to English to speak, and that's exactly why you get stuck. Today I'll show you a simple technique that successful English speakers use. After watching this video, you'll stop translating in your mind and start thinking directly in English. Let's begin. Most learners believe their problem is vocabulary. Some think it's grammar. But the real problem is thinking in Hindi first. Imagine you're driving a car. Every time you press the brake, someone tells you, "Now press the clutch." Would your driving be smooth? No. The same thing happens in English. Every sentence takes two steps. Hindi, then English. That's why your speaking becomes slow. Today we'll remove that extra step. Part 1. Why translation is your biggest enemy. Let's do a small experiment. Don't answer loudly, just answer in your mind. What did you eat this morning? What happened? Most people first think, "Aaj subah maine poha khaya." Then, "I ate poha this morning." See? Translation. Now imagine talking with a foreigner. By the time you translate, the conversation has already moved on. Fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. And that's exactly what you need to learn. Part 2. Think with pictures, not words. Look around your room. Don't say the Hindi names. Look at a chair. Say, chair. Look at a fan. Say, fan. Look at your phone. Say, phone. Now make simple thoughts. My phone is on the table. The fan is running. I am sitting on a chair. No Hindi, only English. Your brain learns faster through images than translation. Part 3. Narrate your day. This is one of the most powerful exercises. Whatever you're doing, say it in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I am making tea. I am opening the door. I am walking to the market. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Focus on thinking. At first, it will feel strange. After a few weeks, it will become natural. Part 4. Replace Hindi habits. Instead of thinking, "Mujhe bhuk lagi hai," think, "I'm hungry." Instead of, "Mujhe neend aa rahi hai," think, "I'm sleepy." Instead of, "Mujhe jana hai," think, "I have to go." Replace hundreds of daily thoughts like this. Slowly, your brain will switch languages automatically. Part 5. The 5-minute challenge. Here's today's challenge. For the next 5 minutes, don't think in Hindi. Describe everything in English. Even if your English is simple, simple English is better than perfect silence. Remember, children don't learn English by translating. They learn by listening, thinking, and speaking. You can do the same. From today, make one promise to yourself. Stop translating. Start thinking. Because the day you begin thinking in English, that is the day you truly begin speaking English. Remember this line. Fluent English doesn't start from your mouth. It starts from your mind. If you accept today's challenge, comment below, "I will think in English." And from today, don't learn English. Live English. Repeat these 10 sentences every day. I am happy. I am learning English. I can do it. Today is a new day. I am improving every day. Let's start. I am ready. I feel confident. I never give up. I think in English.